Ready to turn those financial dreams into reality with a Scotiabank loan? Let's unlock the secrets to securing the funding you need. First, let's explore the diverse range of Scotiabank loan options, from personal loans for debt consolidation or home improvements to business loans designed to fuel your entrepreneurial ventures. Consider which aligns with your specific needs. Next, understand the eligibility requirements. Scotiabank, like all lenders, assesses your credit score, income stability, and debt-to-income ratio. Aim for a good credit score and demonstrate a capacity to repay the loan comfortably. Gather your documents. This typically includes government's ID, proof of income like pay stubs or tax returns, bank statements, and, if applying for a business loan, your detailed business plan. Having these prepared speeds up the process. Now for the application process. You can apply online, visit a Scotiabank branch, or speak with a loan specialist. Be prepared to provide detailed information about your financial situation and the purpose of the loan. After submitting your application, Scotiabank will review it. This may involve a credit check and verification of the information you provided. Be patient, as this process can take some time. If approved, you'll receive a loan agreement outlining the terms and conditions. Review it carefully, and if you're satisfied, sign and return it. The funds will then be deposited into your account, paving the way for you to achieve your goals. Securing a loan can be a game changer. Visit Scotiabank's website or contact them directly to learn more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more financial tips.